In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PayPal money on hold. If you've ever experienced the frustration of having your funds on hold, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve it. Let's dive in. First, head over to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you're in, it's essential to understand why your money might be on hold. PayPal often holds funds for transactions involving physical goods or services until they can verify the delivery or completion. For physical products, adding tracking information is crucial because it allows PayPal to confirm delivery and release your funds, typically within 24 hours. Whereas if you're dealing with services or virtual products, you'll need to update the order status to completed for the funds to be released after 7 days. Now that you understand the process, it's time to take the practical steps. After logging in, start by clicking on the Wallet tab. This section is where you can manage your financial interactions within PayPal, and more importantly, where you can see a breakdown of your current transactions. Next, locate and click on See What's on Hold. This feature will give you a comprehensive view of the funds that are currently in limbo. It's essential to review this regularly to ensure you stay updated on what's pending. Once you've identified the transactions on hold, click on the details for more specific information about each transaction. This step will provide you with insights into why the funds are held and what actions you can take to expedite the release process. If you have a transaction involving a physical product, the next step is to add tracking information. Enter the tracking details directly in the PayPal interface. Providing this information helps PayPal verify the delivery status. Once delivery is confirmed, you can expect your funds to be released promptly. In terms of setting yourself up for a smoother experience in future transactions, make sure your next transactions are marked clearly as business transactions. By clarifying the nature of your transactions, you reduce the chances of unnecessary holds. It signals to PayPal that these are commercial dealings, which can streamline the process. And there you have it. You've now learned how to fix PayPal money on hold efficiently. Keeping these steps in mind and making sure your orders and services are tracked and updated will significantly mitigate your funds being stuck in limbo. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and guides.